Hello, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series. We are in lesson number 51, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, I am going to show you another operator called identity operator. Alright, so basically, identity operators are used to compare between two objects. Okay, now whether it's equivalent object, or they are not, if they are not actually an object at all in that case, so it will depend upon which memory you are allocating. I'm going to talk more about the memory allocations and kind of thing in the future lessons, but for now you can just take this as an example how it works. So let me show you how the how the identity operator works. Okay, let me show you the flow. Let's get into some coding, and I'm going to log into my Jetson Nano. I have already logged in. I hope you guys can see my screen. All right, let's use something called is operator. Okay, let's open our existing file, that is nano operators.py. Okay, let me delete this code. So in this particular operator, which is called the identity operator, it's also called is, is. Okay, this will basically return if both the variables are the same object. Okay, if you declare say two different variables and it should be the same object. So let me show you how. Let's say x equal to square bracket, because I am going to declare an object, double quote, say any example, guys, say bike, double quote close, comma, and then I will say car, double quote close. All right, and then I'm going to close with a square bracket. Remember, there's an object. All right, then y equal to square bracket, and then bike, okay, comma, and then double quote, say car, close with a double quote, and you got to close with a square bracket. Guys, the syntaxes are very important, so make sure that you don't forget. It's very natural to keep forgetting the syntax. I do a lot of mistakes, and the only thing is you got to practice, and when you see an error, you can see, the way to debug is it will show up which line of the code has an error, so you got to logically think and go back and correct it. It's pretty simple. Now let's say z equal to z is equal to x. All right, now ideally this should return a true because z is the same object as x. Okay, let's say do we print this? Yeah, let's give a try. All right, print x is. Can you see the color changes as soon as you put that is? The color changes. Why? You know the reason, because it's an operator. Is an operator. Is z. Okay, now control O, enter, control X. Let's say Python 3 operators.py. There you go. It's a true, so true, right? The logical operator is true. Now let me give you another example. Let me clear this and let me open up nano operators.py. Okay, let me delete this program, let me delete this code and write something from the beginning. What do we do? Let's say let me think of an example which can, all right, so let me use another operator called is not operator. Okay, let's say x equal to square bracket, say a bike, comma, and then a car. Okay, let me close this bracket. Y equals to square bracket, let me leave a space. It's not mandatory to leave a space, but again, and then bike, close the quote, comma, open the quote, double quote, car, close the quote, and then close the bracket, square bracket. Now z equals to x. Let's print and see what happens. Now let's say print. Now I am going to give us something as is operator, is not operator as a executable stuff, so that let's see what happens. X is not, can you see that, is not z. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? The color changes actually if as and when you type a particular operator or even a type in the previous examples, right? So the color changes automatically. That's how it works. Now let's see. Control O, enter, Control X. All right, let's execute the Python file. Python 3 operators.py. Boom, there you go, it's false, right? So I hope this is clear, guys. I hope you understood the particular logic what I was trying to explain. Is not operator. So if you understand English clearly, I think if you apply your English grammar in Python in a logical manner, ideally it's very easy. It's very easy, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Do leave a comment below and I'm going to get back to you very soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye.